In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 to a PC or laptop with an HDMI cable. So there are two options to do so. You can of course use an HDMI capture card. You can connect everything as an example like this, like a PS4 HDMI out into your capture card HDMI in, then the capture card USB into your PC or laptop. And of course, you can do that with your PS4, with, as an example, camera, projector. You will be able to do that. So there is an HDMI capture card. There are different one of them's example. So you can just find one where you can take your HDMI cable from the PS4 into that small connector. And of course, you will get a USB that you can plug into your PC or laptop. Other than that, if you don't want to use an HDMI cable, you can use the PS Remote Play. If you don't want any extra hardware, you can try, an example, go to your PC and install the PS Remote Play on your PC or laptop. You can then connect your PS4 and computer to the internet and sign in with the same PlayStation account, and then you can connect your PS4. You'll be able to play your PS4 on your computer over your network. And that's of course if you don't want to use an HDMI cable. So you either have to use the HDMI capture card or so converter from HDMI to USB, or you can use your PS Remote Play. So that should be it for me in this video, or that's how you connect a PS4 to a PC or laptop. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.